This is a quick review of this professional quality test lead kit that I picked up for my Fluke meter, and it's very versatile. It comes with a bunch of different tips, so it has a lot of different functions that are available to it. As you can see, if I remove the original leads from my Fluke meter, I can plug these straight in and they fit perfectly. Then there's these connections on the end that I can use to connect different types of leads. You can see here I've got the traditional test leads with the little tips exposed here. And what's really cool about this kit also is that you have the longer traditional test leads, or you can isolate them so that just the end is exposed, which I think is really cool. In addition to the traditional test leads, I've got these Alligator style test leads, which are pretty cool. They've got nice little teeth on the end of them there, and they make it actually pretty good for crimping onto the end of something like an exposed connector, or gripping the tip of these test leads here. You can see that works fantastic. I can click them onto the connectors on this battery here to read the voltage on it. It is way too low. This is an almost dead battery that came out of my Fluke meter that I just swapped out. This one is a brand new one, and there we go, reading 9.5 volts. And the last connector that it has are these really nifty, that's an industry term, nifty, connectors. They're like little claws that come out and connect that way. These actually connect very well to the connector, and they grip. These are actually perfect for clipping onto like exposed wiring, which is what I've used them for. I've been repairing a self-opening garbage can, and I had exposed wiring that I was able to clip these onto, and you can see they're on this nice and tight. And before I had this kit, I was trying to do it with the traditional Fluke meter test leads, and I was trying to hold them in one hand and hold the wiring with the other hand, and it just wasn't working out. So with these different connectors, I've got a lot of different options. So I'm really excited about this test lead kit because it's going to make all the different jobs I do with my Fluke meter a snap.